How to see your Instagram password if you forget it. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate here, and on today's video we will learn how we can find or recover your Instagram password step by step. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first step is to check if it's saved in your browser or phone. If you have logged in into Instagram before, and you might have saved your password on your device. So if you're on your Android device, you can check in your password manager under your Google account. So for that, head over to the settings in your device. Under settings, scroll down, head over to Google and tap on it. Tap on your profile at the top. Tap on manage your Google account. Make sure that you're logged in with your same Google account. Just below your profile name, swipe this menu bar to your left, tap on security, and here scroll down and head over to password manager. So under this section, search for Instagram. If you have saved your password, tap on Instagram, then you may have to verify your device by providing your screen lock. Tap on this eye icon right here, then you can view your password. But in case if your password is not saved, then what you can do is head over to the Instagram login page. Once you're here, tap on forget password. Now you have to enter your email, username, or even your mobile number that is linked with your Instagram account. After that, the Instagram will send you a link or the verification code in order to reset your password. Once you're verified with the code, you may be prompted to enter or create a new password. Create a new password, and once you have your new password, now you can log in and have access to your account. So that's it. That's how you can find your Instagram password if you forget it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.